So what is computer science and engineering? What is information technology? When we are doing our bachelor in technology and we get a core or a specialization, we call it as computer science engineering. What computer means, what science means, and what engineering means. If or have you ever thought or have you ever looked into this before? Because I receive a lot of questions and points from B.Tech graduates who are doing internship at GetPost Labs. So I always see, one of the key points, me, definitely, if they don't know, that's fine. But I really want the first thing you should see what computer science engineering meaning. It does not mean you go to Wikipedia and say, oh, computer means computing things, and science means, like we are using facts or, some specific formulas of mathematics or whatever, applying physics, chemistry on top of it, right? Applying as a science to prove it's something, right? Engineering is something like we are engineering some applications. We are getting the raw details. We're getting the, details in different parts, maybe in research papers, in books, in thoughts, in ideas, and develop, engineer a specific computer science application on top of it. Correct. So my suggestion would be, have you ever heard the person named Alan Turing? Have you ever heard the name of Turing Award? So these things got started since 1966. And until now, it still exists. Roughly 66 plus people got Alan Turing Award. Alan Turing Award, similar to Nobel Prize, right? Something like that, correct? My suggestion would be the step one, if you are in computer science or information technology, go to all those 66 people and see what they have done and for what reason they got the Turing Prize, why they are Turing winner. Compile that information. That way, you will get the big picture of computer science, right? So you may get someone in 1966, what the prize, specific award he got, that was the solving the problem of that specific time. And the person who got the award in 2024, he may have a different, context or subject. If you have a walkthrough for, let's say, for 1 or 2 days, just get an idea and context, then you will have a more better realization of computer science. And that will help you, so many different things. When you connect the dots, not today, maybe later, but if you have that specific big picture clear, what really computer science is, and if you look into your books and connect with the specific Turing Award winner or specific branch of science or mathematics, whatever you're studying, connects where it fits in the ecosystem. When you are studying database, where it sits. When you are studying networking fundamentals, where it sits, right? So if you start from that way, if you start developing that habits, disciplines, by looking into whatever you have, don't accept as is. Learn it, applying your own science, own developed science, your own methodology to understand first what it is, right? And develop as many questions to understand what it is, right? So if you follow that specific approach and continue to with that specific habit, that will open your mind. Then you will know what to search on YouTube, what to search on Google, because you have step one clear. If you randomly search because you looked on the RAG, you look on AI orchestrator, you found a figuring out a specific technology. Yes, you can. That's fine. It is fine. You are looking into this. But I'm trying to understand that if you follow a specific discipline, then you don't need to remember in your memory. It will become part of your habit, right? It will become, and you need to do this every day, something like that, right? So that's the point I would like to make. Just look into this. Look all those 66 Turing Award winner and connect it. See Diffie Hellman. Who is this? Robert Bunny Lee. Who is this? Like, why they are getting so much prizes and something like that? Somebody has worked in distributed system, right? So somebody has worked in storage, somebody has worked in something else, something like that, right? Not all people on top of my head, right? But I will definitely cover a session on that maybe sometime. But please go and have a look in that, and that way you are more closer to how I see things, how I talk about things like that. So comment whatever the points coming in top of your head, or reach me directly if you have my email. And let's keep talking and let's keep exploring and go to the pathway of a better professional and solve real problems. And that's it. Like, thank you. Bye.